How to fix YouTube captions not working. Let's get started. Whenever you play YouTube video, at the top right you're gonna find the subtitles icon. Clicking on that, it will be enabled. Likewise, clicking on the option of settings and heading over to the option captions, you can select the language. In case it is not working or the option is not available, you'll need to update your YouTube app. So close this and launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check the server status. For that, close this, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Time Detector. Search for YouTube. After it appears, if you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. In this case, you just have to wait. Also, you can try clearing cache for YouTube app. For that, you can close this, head over to your YouTube app, completely delete your YouTube app and again reinstall it. So press and hold on the YouTube app, click on remove app, click on delete and click on delete. Now, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and then install it. Likewise, you can try on another device or browser. If captions are not working on your phone, test on a computer or try a different browser like Chrome, Safari or Firefox. Also, make sure you have stable internet connection, and that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube captions not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.